Hello, my name is Pavani, basically born and brought up in Ballari, Karnataka. Have completed my graduation specialized in Bachelor of Commerce from the University of Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Ballari in the year 2024. So after completion of my graduation, I was in search of IT sector job. At that time, one of my friends suggested me about the Evision TechnoServe. Evision TechnoServe is a IT recruited and consulting company. It is a 45 days of a training program where they thought about networking, CCNA, ITIL, cyber security, and many other things. After 45 days of a training program, have been placed in the client company called WIPRO under the payroll company Progressive Info Evision Private Limited with the CTC of 2.4. So I would like to suggest the people who are looking for the IT sector job. Evision is a very good platform to start your career. Thank you, Evision, and the entire team. Thank you so much.